According to the Uganda National Household Survey of 2016-2017, Uganda has 8,455,900 households in 10,595 parishes. Of these households, 2,042,000 depend on subsistence farming and 78,400 are not working.
The public enterprise.
Now government is touting the Parish Development Model as the pathway to alleviating household poverty. A total of 404 billion shillings has been allocated in the 2021-2022 financial year budget, with 38,160,000 to be allocated to each village.
Why don't we invest 1 year in adequate research, recruitment of workers? Then in the next year, you roll over something that you are sure of.
Parish model we are talking about is born out of research. It's not something that, as I heard some of our colleagues saying, it's a one man's idea. No, it's not one man's idea.
Why the urgency? The urgency is one of those things that the minister stated, that out of every 5 households in Uganda, 2 are in subsistence. Out of every 5 households in Uganda, 2 are in subsistence.
The funds will be borrowed at a 1% interest rate, with women taking 30% of the share. The parish chief, the council, sub-county chief, and the chief administrative office of a district will monitor the funds. Government has identified 18 priority commodities to be considered on the basis of their market locally and internationally. These include coffee, cotton, cocoa, cassava, tea, vegetable oil, maize, rice, sugarcane, fish, dairy, among others. Aside from the 404 billion, 49 billion has been allocated to run the fund. 2.2 billion will be for administrative costs, 15 billion for staff costs, 26 billion for computer information systems data tools, 3.2 billion will be for UBOS, and 1 billion for the Ministry of Local Government. Finance Minister Matia Kasaija told Parliament that government will dissolve other empowerment funds to raise resources to finance the parish model. The funds to be dissolved include Youth Livelihood Programme, Uganda Women Empowerment Fund, Peace, Recovery and Development Plan, Luwero Rwenzori Development Programme, Operation Wealth Creation, among others.
Let these be partners. Let Coffee Development Authority be a partner at parish level. Let WEP, the way the program has been implemented, be a partner at parish level. Not take away their money.
Before a project even gets into maturity and takes off, you are killing it, you're bringing a new one. Why are you confusing Ugandans? Bukedi, where I come from, the commodity they are talking about is they are prioritizing providing milk coolers. We are not cattle keepers in Bukedi. So if you are telling us that under these programs, Bukedi, you are prioritizing providing milk coolers, where are the animals?
As MPs questioned the viability of the parish model, Lands Minister Betty Yamongi revealed that the model was recommended to the President by a committee of economists under the supervision of his brother, Salim Saleh.
We all agreed if you try to ask a question about a myoga, they will say, we want your constituency to know that you don't want money to go to them. But we knew that a myoga was going to collapse at the gate.
It was on that basis that His Excellency put up a team of economists, and those team made a study on the parish model, presented to him, and a team was constituted led by General Saleh, who worked around for the last 1 year to bring the parish model.
But I would suggest, let's sleep over this until Tuesday, then you can conclude one way or the other.
From Entandikwa, Kulembeka, Prosperity for All, Emyoga, and now this parish model, one question that remains is whether these funds have created the social and economic impact desired by government. The second question is on whether the local governments and the parishes will have the capacity to implement this new parish model. Habad Ziwa NTV at Parliament.